Hi there! Today I wanted to share something cool I bought on Amazon. It is this clear acrylic flower display box. Every time I have something special at the house, or if it's the holidays, I would bust out this flower box. It is definitely an eye catcher and a talking point when you have guests over. People are going to immediately notice this flower box when they first walk in, especially if you have red roses in it. This flower box will stand out if you have neutral colored decors in your house. This is a good option if you can't afford Venus et Fleur like me. Venus et Fleur is those round boxes with real roses that cost a couple of hundreds of dollars, but they do last a whole year if you do put them in the right places. So I found this acrylic box on Amazon for $43, and it comes with 25 holes for 25 flower stems. You can also get smaller boxes with 16 or 12 holes. I'll have the link to the item in the description below. This square box is about 10 inches wide and 6 inches tall. It also comes with a lid, but I never actually really used the lid, but maybe I'll try it another day. Inside the box, it comes with a removable 2-tier trays that has 25 drill holes to hold your flower stem upright. I buy all my roses from Trader Joe's because I found them to have the best prices. They are usually $8 for a dozen. For my particular box that I have here, I would buy 3 dozen roses so that it would basically come out to about $25. What I do is fill the box with water just enough to cover the bottom of the flower stems, about half an inch of water or so, and then I put the packet that came with the roses in. Then I cut my first stem, measuring how tall I want the roses to be, usually at the height of the box, and then I'll use this first one as a guide. I also cut them at an angle. Supposedly this helps the stems absorb water better. Before I put it in the box, I pulled the sepal out, and I also pulled the first layer of the petals out. This will really help them open up and bloom faster. That's pretty much it. I would definitely handle this box with care. I also try not to move the box if I don't have to. Once I have a spot for the flower box, I pour a little more water into the box. With 3 dozen roses, I'm able to create one full flower box, and I put the rest in another vase. This is the day after, and they have opened up a lot since yesterday. My roses usually last about a week and a half. If some of them gets bruisey after a week, I would throw away the bad ones, put the box away, take the good ones, and place them in a smaller vase like this. You can do this with different colors, mix and match. You can make this flower box as a gift. If you're into flower display, I would highly recommend checking out Jeff Latham's Instagram. He does very cool and unusual flower arrangements. That's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the button below. More videos to come, and until the next one.